Welcome back to this Valentine's Day edition of Primetime News. A special welcome again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Up first this evening, concerns from the Manchester Fire Brigade that nightlife in the Christiana area is hampering its operations and putting residents' lives and properties at risk. The matter was discussed at the monthly municipal corporation meeting. Christiana has details.
It's enough for the fire chief in Manchester to call the police about. A report from one of his officers that he says paints a troubling picture of night activities at a building adjacent to the fire station in Christiana. Superintendent Needham shared the report at this month's municipal corporation meeting.
And it mentioned that there is loud noise, the vibration from the music on the box shakes the windows, the doors, and even the phone. If you know how we operate as an emergency, we have what is called a duty room or a watch room. The police call theirs a guard room. That is where person is placed 24/7.
He says that's where emergency calls about fires or crashes and the like are taken.
Reports state that they're unable to hear the phone. And that is understandable. If you're outside and a truck is passing, you're on your cell phone, you can't wait for that truck to pass for you to continue your call. Much more hearing that continuous dancehall, heavy rhythm booming in the duty room.
He stressed that it hampers the fire department's ability to respond quickly to emergencies.
The rule is that you get the call, you respond 1 minute after receiving the information. Can't receive the information is an issue. So how do you respond? Persons are in distress and we will get the blame because the call comes in, we can't hear, we can't respond.
And that's not all.
The patrons who come to these sessions park even in front of the fire station, blocking the entrance exit. So that is a challenge.
But while noting the issue must be addressed so as not to impede the fire department in any way, Counsel for the Christiana Division O'Neill Evans appealed to the police and fire department to find a middle ground.
We must admit that not everybody has a 9 to 5, and a lot of persons that have a 9 to 5 depend on night life to just have a ease. Just asking Superintendent Duncan what can be done to meet persons halfway, the persons that operate the space and depend on that for their livelihood, and the person that depend on that for entertainment.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.